So for our next pattern, we're going to be doing the walks and points with a rotating point. So we're starting same as our last move with the basic. And rock, step, triple step, a 1, 2, 3, 4. We do 2 points, step, tap, tap. Now I'm going to face my partner. I'm going to step outside, she steps inside, and we kick, close. Now I kick inside, she kicks outside, kick, and into a rock step. So we do this. Going and rock, step, triple step, 1, 2, 3, 4, kick, 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 and rock step.